Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students and welcome to all the students in the Right Way Academy class second year biology. इस वीडियो में स्टूडेंट्स आपके साथ सेकेंड ईयर बायोलॉजी के इंपॉर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करूँगी। तो आपने इस वीडियो को कंप्लीट देखना है। स्टूडेंट्स आपने इस वीडियो को स्किप नहीं करना, बिकॉज अगर आप इसको स्किप करेंगे तो इसमें आपका ही लॉस है, क्योंकि मैं आपको शॉर्ट और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस के अबाउट गाइड करूँगी। क्वेश्चंस को लिख लेना है, आपने राइट कर लेना है, ताकि ये आपके पास नोट्स की सूरत में महफूज रहें। अगर आपको बाद में भी चाहिए हो या अगर आप रिपीट करना चाहें, इजीली अवेलेबल नोट्स आपके पास हों। इस तरह से जब आप बार बार रिपीट करेंगे तो आपके माइंड्स में ये जहन नशी हो जाएंगे। इसलिए इन क्वेश्चंस को साथ साथ राइट कर लें, लिख लें, और इन क्वेश्चंस को आपने अच्छे से करना है, क्योंकि ये पेपर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और शेयर करें। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन ऑस्मोकन्फॉर्मर्स एंड ऑस्मोरेगुलेटर्स। Question 2. Define anhydrobiosis with an example. Question 3. Why the filtration does takes place at glomeruli part of the nephron and nowhere else. Question 4. What is renal failure? Question 5. What is the cause of the cramps? Next question. What is the nutrition? Question 6. How many ribs don't attach with the sternum? Question 7. How is rickets produced? Question 8. What is difference between osteocytes and osteoblasts? Question number 9 is explain the difference between origin and insertion of the muscles. Question number 10. What is the difference between bone and cartilage? Question number 11. What is the difference between central nervous system abbreviated for CNS and peripheral nervous system abbreviated for PNS? Question number 12 is list different type of the tropism. Question 13 defines circadian rhythms. Question 14 is what is the difference between oogenesis and spermatogenesis in humans? Question number 15 is how is seed formed? Question 16 is what is the importance of seed in the life cycle of a plant? Students, question number 17 is what is the organizer and inducer substance? Question 18, what is the differentiation? Question 19, what is meristems? Question number 20 is define embryonic induction. Question number 21 is what are the three major classes of RNA? Question number 22 is what is anticodon? Question number 23 is give importance and significance of meiosis. Question number 24 is define chromosomal non-distinction. Question number 25 is what are the symptoms of non-distinction? Question number 26 is students, what are the symptoms of Turner syndrome? Question number 27 is what is the difference between necrosis and apoptosis? Question number 28 is interphase is resting phase and why? Question 29, what is the test cross? Question 30 is which type of the traits can assort independently? Question 31st is what is the universal blood donor? Question 32 is why does blood group phenotype of a person remains constant throughout the life? Question 33 is what is MODY? Question 34, how and why transgenic animals that secrete a product are often cloned? Question 35, explain and give examples of ex vivo and in vivo gene therapies in humans. Question 36, explain the term homology with an example. स्टूडेंट्स, अब तक मैंने जितने भी आपके साथ क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किए हैं, मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम द एग्ज़ाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, so listen it carefully, whole video. Question 37 is what are the vestigial organs? What is the difference between endangered species and threatened species? Question 39. Sketch 3 main steps in nitrogen cycle. Question number 40 is what is ecology? Question 41 defines in ecology. Question 42 define grazing. Question 43 is what is the difference between deforestation and afforestation? Question 44 is what is acid rain? Question 45 is what is algal bloom? Question number 46 is what do you know by non-renewable resources? Question 47 is what do you know about biodiversity? Question 48 and the last short question is what are the functions of parathyroid gland? Next students, we are going to be discuss the important long questions from all chapters class second year biology. Question number 1 is account the excretory system in earthworm. Question number 2 highlight the role of liver as an excretory organ. Question 3 is describe the thermoregulatory strategies in mammals including humans in cold temperature. Question number 4 is describe a hinge joint and explain how it is moved by antagonistic muscles. Question number 5 is explain appendicular skeleton with the help of diagram. Question number 5 is explain appendicular skeleton with the help of diagram. Question number 6 draw and label the human skull. Question number 7 is what are the main difference between exoskeleton and endoskeleton? Question number 8 define nerve impulse. Question number 9 is explain the mechanism involved by the label diagram. Question number 10 what structures are associated with the human female reproductive system? What are the functions? Question number 11 is what are the main functions of placenta during the pregnancy? Question number 12 is what is regeneration? Question number 13 is why it is so effective in some animals and missing in others. Question number 14 is describe in detail the developmental process of chick. Question number 15 what is growth? Discuss different phases and conditions for the growth. Question number 16 is how did Mendelssohn and still shows that DNA replication is semi-conservative. Question number 17 is what is the basis for the requirement that the leading and lagging strand be replicated by different mechanism? Question number 18 why and how do the chromosomes get separated during the anaphase of the mitosis? Question number 19 what is incomplete dominance? Question number 20 students is explain it with an example. What is codominance? Question number 22 is explain the phenomena of the codominance with an example. Question 23 is define epistasis. Explain epistasis gene interaction with an example. Question number 24 what are the polygenes? Explain polygenic with an example. Question 25 is define gene pool and explain the concept of a gene pool in a sample population. Question 26 is discuss the genetics of color blindness. Question 7 is what is a genomic library? How would you locate a gene of interest in a library? Question 28 is what is DNA fingerprinting? A process that utilizes the entire gene. Question 29 is for what purpose have bacteria, plants and animals been genetically altered? Question 30 is state and explain Hardy-Weinberg theorem. Question 31st is how did evolution proceed from prokaryote to eukaryotes? Question 32 analyze the Darwin's theory of the natural selection as mechanism of evolution. Question 33 is What purpose have bacteria, plants, and animals been genetically altered for? Students, question number 34 is state and explain Hardy-Weinberg theorem. Question 35, analyze the Darwin's theory of natural selection as a mechanism of evolution. Question 36 is what factors in the environment can affect all living things? Are they important to survive in a biome? Question 37 is can you explain the population explosion, its causes, consequences, and control? Question 38, why is there a need of protection and conservation of the environment? Question number 39 and the last long important questions from the whole syllabus or chapters of the class second year biology is write a short note on the following: parthenogenesis and seedless. आज की इस वीडियो में स्टूडेंट्स मैंने आपके साथ बायोलॉजी क्लास सेकेंड ईयर के लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस और शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किए। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर न्यू हैं, हर नई आने वाली वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं तो आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। अगर आपको इस वीडियो पसंद आई है, इस वीडियो को लाइक करें। इन द केस ऑफ एनी क्वेश्चन यू कैन कमेंट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। स्टूडेंट्स, आपने इस वीडियो को स्किप नहीं करना, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो है। आपने इन क्वेश्चंस को स्किप नहीं करना, अच्छे से याद कर लेना ताकि आपकी एग्ज़ाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से प्रिपरेशन हो सके। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अल्लाह हाफिज़।